Hello guys, in this video I'm going to tell you about 3 types of transportation that you can use in Amsterdam, and I'm going to explain you which one is the best. So the first one on our list is a bike. You can rent a bike in Amsterdam for as little as 9-10 euros per day. Amsterdam is small and flat, so it's the best way of transportation in the city center. Bike is also the best transport in the night, when public transport is not that good option anymore. In the night there is no metro and less buses, so bike is your best option, apart from the time when it's really raining. Okay, so I mentioned bikes. The second option is public transport, which is very well organized in Amsterdam. There is a tram, bus, metro and a train. Oh, there is also a ferry. And what's interesting, the ferry from Amsterdam Central to Amsterdam North is free. When it comes to the public transport, the best thing that you can do is to get a 24-hour ticket. For this ticket you pay only 8 euros and you can use any mean of transportation in the city, apart of train. So you can use tram, bus, metro and the ferry, which you can use anyway for free. The third and the last option is to go to the Amsterdam by car, and it's not that good idea. First of all, if you would like to park in the city center, it's horribly expensive. In some places of the city center you pay as much as 7.50 euros per hour. But if you are on your road trip and you choose to go to Amsterdam with your car, then you should think about park and ride locations. You can park in park and ride garage for as little as 1 euro per day. To learn how to park in park and ride for 1 euro a day, watch this video here. I created this video because park and ride system in Amsterdam can be a little bit confusing. It's a little bit complicated. So yeah, in the video above I explain everything. So rent a bike, and if you do, keep in mind that you have to lock it properly. And of course don't rent a bike if you haven't been cycling for the last 10 years. Amsterdam is not a place where you want to start your cycling adventure. If you can cycle, if you ride your bike on a daily basis in your place, it's fine. If you have any question, please put them in the comment section below. I will record a video for you. Hit this like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Cheers.